In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote a freebie with Kit. We're going to walk through the entire process, from creating a simple landing page to setting up automatic delivery of your freebie, and finally, promoting your link so people can actually find and download it. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional funnel that runs on autopilot. First, let's create your landing page. Inside Kit, go to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all your opt-in pages live. Look for the option to create something new and select Landing Page. Kit will now show you a selection of templates you can start from. You might see designs with names like Abby or Siesta. Don't worry too much about the names. Just pick the style and layout that feels closest to your brand and the vibe of your freebie. Once you've found one you like, click Choose to open it in the editor. Now it's time to customize. Click on any text on the page to edit it. Replace the default headline with the title of your freebie and update the body text to clearly explain what people are going to get and why it's valuable. Keep it short, benefit-focused, and easy to scan. You want visitors to understand within a few seconds what they're signing up for. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right and click the Publish button. Kit will generate a shareable URL for your landing page. This is the link you'll use everywhere when you promote your freebie. Next, let's set up automatic delivery so your freebie is sent out without you lifting a finger. While you're still in the landing page editor, click on Settings in the top menu. On the left-hand side, choose the Incentive tab. This is where you control what happens after someone signs up. Check the box that says Send Incentive Email. This tells Kit to automatically email your new subscriber. Under the option that says After confirming Redirect to, select Download. This means once they confirm, they'll be taken straight to your freebie. Then click Choose a file and upload your freebie PDF or resource. When that's finished, scroll down and click Save at the bottom so none of your settings are lost. Finally, it's time to promote your link. Go back to the Publish window, copy the URL for your landing page, and start placing it in your main traffic sources. Add it to your Instagram or TikTok bio so anyone discovering you there can grab your freebie. Include it in the description of your YouTube videos, especially those related to the topic of your free resource. And don't forget a pinned post on platforms like X or LinkedIn so the link stays visible at the top of your profile. With your page live, delivery automated, and your link promoted in key places, your freebie is now working for you around the clock.